Have you ever made marble magnets? This is one of my all-time favorite fast and easy crafts, and I made these in honor of Frida. First thing you're going to do is visit the floral department of your craft store or the dollar store and pick up some glass gems. Make sure they're flat on the back, make sure they are clear and do not have an iridescent glaze to them. You're going to print out your images on printer paper, not photo paper, printer paper. Use tacky glue, apply a thin layer on the back of the gem, press it over the image. You'll know when it's dry, when the glue dries clear, and simply hot glue a magnet on the back. This is a great project to do with large groups of people. You can have fun with it. This one I peeled off the picture after it dried, added 2 layers of colored tissue, and look at the effect that it had. This one I painted on the gem first, let it dry, and then glued it onto a picture. This is my Forever Frida book that I authored. I have the link in my bio. It's filled with all kinds of juicy tidbits and anecdotes about Frida. I made all of these marble magnets to give out to my Forever Frida retreat attendees. It's happening next weekend. They came out so good. And look, you can even pick up little cases like this. I found this on Amazon. I painted the top and then sealed it with glaze. It fits 4 of the marble magnets perfectly. Have you ever made marble magnets? Do you want to?